If you like furniture that feels functional but still clean and modern, this side table is such a nice piece. I've been using it here next to my little reading chair for kind of a reading corner vibe, but it would be a perfect option for a bedroom or living space as well. One thing that I really appreciated is that there is no assembly needed. Right out of the box, it's ready to go, so you can pop it out, put it where you want it, and it's ready to use. And it does come with a rechargeable LED light that's super convenient. You can just pop that here underneath. It has 3 adjustable light colors, adjustable brightness, and it even has a motion sensor that works in the dark, so when you walk into your space, it will light up for you. The construction feels really solid. It's made with real wood, and I love that it can easily hold everyday items from drinks and food, decor, books, you name it. It's a piece that's really practical but still elevates your space. If you're wanting a modern side table with built-in lighting and no assembly required, this is a perfect choice.